Veterans, want to get your VA claim approved fast? The fully developed claim, or FDC process, can speed up your approval time dramatically, but only if you do it right. Today, we're going to break down how the FDC process works, and how you can use it to get your benefits as quickly as possible. Let's dive in. The fully developed claim, or FDC process, is a fast-track option for VA disability claims. If you submit a complete claim with all necessary evidence up front, the VA can review it faster, often months quicker than traditional claims. Basically, it's a way of telling the VA, hey, I've got everything ready, just review and approve it. But there are a few key things you need to know to make sure you qualify. To file a fully developed claim, follow these 3 steps. Gather all your medical records. This includes VA medical records, private doctor records, and any service treatment records related to your disability. Include a nexus letter. A statement from a doctor linking your condition to your military service can make a huge difference in approval time. Submit everything at once. The VA won't chase down missing records in an FDC. You have to provide everything up front. A lot of veterans think they've submitted a fully developed claim, but they make one of these common mistakes, not including all medical evidence. If you forget records, your claim won't qualify. Leaving out supporting documents like buddy statements or employment records for TDIU claims. Filing an appeal while the FDC is pending. This automatically takes your claim out of the fast-track system. Avoiding these mistakes can save you months of waiting and help you get approved faster. So, what's the difference between an FDC and a standard claim? FDC, you submit all evidence up front so the VA processes your claim faster, usually in about 3 to 6 months. Standard claim. The VA helps gather evidence, but this slows things down, often taking 6 to 12 months or even longer. If you already have all the records you need, the FDC is the way to go for faster approval. Veterans, if you want to get your benefits as quickly as possible, make sure you file a fully developed claim the right way. Have questions about the process? Drop FDC help in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more VA tips. See you in the next one.